Hello everyone, welcome to Printful. So what exactly is this tool? It's a print-on-demand tool. For those unfamiliar, these are tools that let us create prints through our online store on their platform, using products from their catalog. For instance, print-on-demand works on items like these pants, this sweatshirt, or this bag. Basically, we input what we want printed, and they handle the production, shipping, and everything else. It's like they manage the store, and we just choose what products appear in it. Here, as you can see, they offer the option to place an order. That's for buying, which I assume most viewers here aren't interested in. And then there's the whole online selling thing, right? The idea of getting rich. Well, I'm not sure you'll get rich. That probably depends more on your marketing efforts. But here's what they're telling us. Over 105 million items delivered since 2013. 24/7 customer support. Only 0.24% of our orders need to be reshipped. That's due to non-delivery or similar issues. Here they're showing us a bit of the process. Design your product, about 25 minutes. Connect your store, 10 minutes. Upload your products to your store, 15 minutes. Set up the steps, 5 minutes. Setting up steps means linking your card for payments and even requesting samples to check quality. Launch your business in under 60 minutes. Effortless production, and so on. Well, if we click start, I'd like to see the prices first. They've hidden them a bit, haven't they? Sell online without inventory. Alright, let's just get started. Register. They're going to ask us a few setup questions here, okay? I'm just going to breeze through these. These questions are important, you know? But since I'm not actually connecting a store, and here we are already inside the platform, okay? Here we have home orders, product catalog, my product stores. It really couldn't be more intuitive, right? When you click design a product here, you'll see how easy it is, okay? How can we design our first product on Printful and start creating our store? Let's click on start, okay? Sorry, I haven't explained what I've done. I've logged into Printful, gone to home, and the first thing you see is this design product section, okay? You click on start. Here they'll show you a collection of products and say, choose your first product. We're not going to complicate things. Let's pick a shirt, alright? Here it says, upload or drop your design here. Okay, let's make a design, shall we? I'm not sure if I have photos. Alright, let's take this photo, drag it over, and there it is, okay? I know the image is terrible, I'm fully aware, so no one criticize me. As you can see, we can double click to adjust what part of the image we want to show, okay? We can do this and then click apply. We can make the image bigger or smaller, okay? And you can put it here, for example. You can do anything, okay? In this case, I repeat, this image is just an example. Hey, we can change the design, alright? Make it square or alternate the pattern. This is useful for mosaics, for instance. Okay? As you can see, right? It can be done. See? You can space it out or alternate it. Not bad, huh? Honestly, we might come up with something cool. We can save the design, change position, center it, for example. So here we have the product with the print. We can change the shirt color, of course. Watch out, we might end up with a cool product. Just wait. This color, this one, I won't get it, right? This one here looks awful on all of them. Here we can select all sizes, right? That'd be the way to go, selling all sizes. We can add text, save designs, clips, premium designs, fill, etc. When ready, hit save products. It says 1 of 5 products. Let's save the product and we're done. It's that simple. It says 25 minutes as we'd need to refine the design and all. But that's how you create a product. Just that easy. Right, how can we use Printful and connect our store? Well, inside the tool we'll go to connect your store or stores section. Here, we can choose the platform, connect via API, and that's it, right? It's important to have your Printful account already created, okay? If not, it won't be much use, right? With this, you can connect your store, like Amazon, Etsy. Well, not those. I mean, like Shopify, okay? Each of these stores has to be paid for separately, alright? The store isn't included, but we just publish products and set up payments. And with that, we'd have the platform fully configured. Alright, let's take a quick look at a Printful review, okay? Let's check out the prices, shall we? 2025 price guide, compare main features, blah blah blah, no actual prices shown. Yes, of course, price of the shirt, they don't make pricing easy, so it seems Printful can be used for free, right? But I'm sure they must charge a significant commission on sales, even with free use. Oh, I see, and that's what they're showing, isn't it? For example, the shirt, right? Recommended price. Let's see, if you sell, how many shirts? If the selling price is 15 and you sell 1, the profit is 0.46. If I sell it, oh, okay. And if I raise the price, so for each sale they take, well, subtract, they take about 15 bucks, right? They take 15 bucks indeed. Well, 14 and 60. 54 is what they take from each sale. I get that not everything will be the same, right? No, it varies by product, but they take a good chunk, you know. Look, see? It's not a fixed commission, it depends on the product. They take a lot. Selling a backpack for 23 bucks and you only get 5. To be fair, they do handle everything. That's true, but it's worth keeping in mind. Anyway, let's check out some Printful reviews. I bet it'll have good reviews. Yep, 4.6 stars. Why do I think it'll have good reviews? Well, if they're taking most of the sale money, they'll focus on making sure the sale goes smoothly, right? Unlike other platforms where you get more freedom, but more issues too. Look, there are negative reviews, about 10% 1-star ratings, but check this out. They're responding to every review, see? Look at their support, they reply to all. It's not just trash talk. Sure, out of 6,363 reviews, there might be some bad experiences, right? But I think it's a great platform. We've seen it, it's intuitive and easy to use, so I wouldn't hesitate too much about it. It's true they do have some fees. They take most of the profit, that's pretty clear, the vast majority. But I'd rather that and have it work well than lower fees and poor function, you know? So there you have it.